Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off Bluetooth on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Click on the control panel icon in the top right to open the control panel. Select Bluetooth, then tap the toggle on the right to turn Bluetooth off. If you don't have Bluetooth in your control panel, you can follow the next steps to turn it off. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Bluetooth. On the left, below the Bluetooth image, click Turn Bluetooth Off. Bluetooth is now switched off on your Mac. You can turn it on again by clicking Turn Bluetooth On. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.